Mama's getting rushed out. Beautiful city of Miami. And the parking structure. Up on the 10th floor is the Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique, which Jen is gonna go get dolled up. She's gonna get glittered. I'm gonna bring her over here just to get glittered. Top deck, they've got the sports area. Looks like they moved the foosball and ping pong to the middle. Here's the adults pool. Here is the family pool, which looks like there's a lot of families in there. The awesome funnel vision. There's the aqua dunk. Can't wait to see the boys do that. Looking good, dear. Looking good. What are you doing? We come back to this. Hi, thank you. 24. 24? 24.
Table 24.
Table 24. Welcome to Lumiere's. Look how cute these napkins are. It's like the beast. Have to do the QR code now.
Yeah, it's off.
He is it.
And we're table number 24. Look at that.
Welcome to Lumiere.
Alright, how are you?
Great, my name is Rudwin.
Hi, Rudwin. And some cumin what? Okay, I'll check it. And butter! The other one when you do the 4 balls together. Butter balls!
Are they full?
So on the Magic, you have to order online. And here's some of their specialties.
Bye-bye soup. I said have that one. Make a little bowl.
Trying the bread.
Bruh. I guess we have a bread connoisseur over here. Tasting breads around the world.
Tasting breads around the world.
Specifically around the States.
Caleb is correct. This cumin and cilantro tastes like a taco on a bread. This is pretty impressive.
It's so weird.
Kind of like it.
Jen got the key lime margarita. I think now that she's tried a key lime pie, she's like, everything's got to be key lime now. She's got to taste it. When in Miami, do as
Cheers.
or South Florida, I guess you do.
You're gonna spill it.
So good.
So good.
Chug, chug, chug.
Caleb seems to think he had the best thing here.
I do.
Which is the calamari. What do you think?
Another salmon.
And yours?
It was good, right?
Different.
Look at it. My bruschetta was okay, but I'd have to go with either his or mine.
Or mine. That's the only two you
I
try.
couldn't go with that one because I don't like calamari.
Okay, right?
They like the calamari. I think calamari wins today.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Everybody getting clam chowder.
I'm okay.
Clam chowder. I think it's a little watery. Yeah, same thing.
Still good though.
Good, just watery. Could be better. Need it thicker.
Mama's getting lushed out. Woo! She is liking her key lime margarita. Uh-oh, so I guess we got a new fave on the ship.
Your favorite margarita ever?
That strawberry one. No, watermelon margarita. Disneyland. No, I'm good. Thank you. It was delicious.
Get out of here. Get out of here.
Look, Jacob got the same exact thing. I thought you were going to be different. You're just the same.
You get halibut?
Yes. With your favorite peas.
That's why I didn't get it.
Oh.
You're like, can we switch?
I'm trying my best here today.
Look at this. This mess he's made.
Shush.
He made a mess of it. It's a lot there. It is good. What's your Wellington? Is it good? What? Yeah, pretty good. The Wellington bread? The kilo dough? Kilo dough.
They did it pretty good.
Yeah, right there.
Arrabbiata? Good. Shrimp is good too.
Yes.
This is today's word of the day.
Peasy. What does peasy mean, Jen?
Peasy means it doesn't taste that peasy.
Gotta love it when she drinks. Now let's figure out the entrees. How good was your entree?
Really good.
Really good? Halibut was good.
Olive was cooked really well. I mean, perfect.
And how was your
A solid 9.5.
solid 9.5? That is pretty impressive.
I liked mine.
Like yours? A lot?
really good. Like you order it again?
It's ready for you.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh, leave me alone.
The mango cheesecake. Was that a good thing or a bad thing? Really good? Good?
I like it.
Fruit and vanilla, right?
Yes.
Good though? Well, if you're looking for a non-sugar food, I guess that's it.
Like I thought it was on the break.
Okay, Caleb said he wants to rank all his courses.
I'm gonna rank all my courses.
Okay,
So the
rank
first
them.
one is the Pork Tenderloin Wellington.
Okay, that's number
That
one.
was the best one here. A 9 out of 10. The calamari, I like calamari a lot. I give that one an 8 out of 10. And then the third one is the clam chowder. I thought that one was good. It's just wet,
Okay.
which is like a 6 out of 10. And then this, I like it too. I'd rank it a 6 out of 10 or 5.
Alright.
But that was like,
Pork Wellington was your best also?
yes.
Does it beat out a rack of lamb?
Don't know yet.
Don't know yet. Oh. So there is competition now for the rack of lamb. Interesting. What's your favorite item tonight? The salmon, the cheesecake, the clam chowder, or the halibut?
The key pie.
Key lime
Key lime margarita.
Well, except we weren't talking about that. We're talking about food.
The fish. Halibut was
The
good.
halibut.
I think she had a brain fart. Yeah, I know. She was on La La Land.
I think it's the key lime margarita talking.
It's like she didn't know we were talking. I'll film you now. I'll film you now.
The arrabbiata was okay. Mint chocolate chip was okay. My dinner tonight was just okay. I had nothing spectacular. So, nothing like these guys. The halibut and the Wellington look like they win tonight. Everything else.
I didn't like the halibut.
Minnie's up there. Oh, she's in a pink dress. I don't think I've ever seen her in a pink dress.
Want some H2O product? Oh, there we go. That's for Jen. That's Jen's. Right there. There you go. There you go. Oh, yes.
We come into our room and we got this guy. This is awesome. I've never seen him before. He's reading? What the heck? Now he looks like a lady laying down.
There were 4, but Jacob ate one of them.
Look, this is what they're giving now. They're giving Sweet Dreams Dove candies.
This is how Dad falls asleep.
Gone are the... whatever. And look at this. Okay, so at night...
You killed him.
When the boys are being pain in the butts, we have this curtain that goes up that separates us from them, which is great. And then they got this tiny little room where we're gonna fit 2 big, huge boys on these 2 small beds. Looks like an octopus tentacle.
It does.
Look at this, people. Look at this. Look at this. I don't know what to think. Oh. I will not be able to show this, so therefore,
to your fellow guests, we ask that all electronic devices
I will be putting this away,
to the silent mode.
and we'll tell you about it after we're done.
I heard it's a good show. Might not be as good as Beauty and the Beast, but it should be good.
For those who wish to know, it is a pretty full theater. Honest opinions.
It's okay. It's okay.
Is that okay?
Fall asleep.
It's pretty straight.
She did fall asleep.
It is pretty straight.
It's
Some songs, no, there are some songs that.
I thought it was good. It's a Broadway movie.
I thought it was a good adaptation.
So I think they did a good job. I think they had some pretty cool
No, they did.
scenes.
They did.
Like that underwater scene.
But they cut out like the rest of the
I
underwater.
thought that was
scene.
cool.
Cut out like the whole part where they're all like at the canyon.
This tends to be our late night traditional snacking. Right?
Look at Jen got. Jen got ice cream swirl. Gosh. She just keeps eating. First she had pizza, now she's having ice cream. Gosh, what's up with that? Late night snacks.
Because I like to laugh when you get them wrong. Okay, number one, what's the name of the movie? Aladdin. Very
Look at Peeps for Easter.
Look at you. You gotta do the high jump. I'm putting pressure in you. No, I'm forcing you.
So aggressive.
Whoa. Oh my gosh.
Do it. Do it. Do it. Yeah, I'll just stomp on you.
Now you're
I'll get air. Sure. Sure.
boys.
Put your hands down. Put your hands down.
If anyone's ever curious about forward and aft, you just take a look at the stars. The star pointing at the top, right here, shows you going forward. And the two stars pointing back shows you're going to the aft. There's these new, you just touch them, and they open.
Something minutes, hours actually, and I'm waiting for room service.
Why?
I can't live without it.
Here.
Hi, Jordan. Really nice hair. Really good.